The diagram shows a parallelogram with base of length 13.8, a perpendicular height of 6.2 centimeters, and one interior angle of 50 degrees. Calculate the perimeter of the parallelogram. Okay, so let's have a look at this then. So let's draw in a vertical here. So I just put it in with dashed lines. Drop a vertical here to give us a right angle triangle, because we know this height because it's given in the picture. So this height we can read, that should be a straight line, and that should be a right angle. So this is 6.2 centimeters here. Now we've got a triangle. We've got an angle, we've got the opposite, haven't we? So if we write SOHCAHTOA, then hopefully we'll be able to get this. Let's write SOHCAHTOA first, because we've got a right angled triangle with a side and an angle. So let's see what we've got then. We've got the angle in question, so we know the sine, the cosine, or the tangent, and we know the opposite, don't we? So we can tick off that. We need two of any three, so we could use this one, and we could use this one, couldn't we? This one would give us the h, the hypotenuse, which is what we want for the perimeter. We need to know the length of this side. So here, if we label that h then, so here, sine of 50 degrees then, SOHCAHTOA, is equal to the opposite, 6.2, over the hypotenuse, which we've labelled as h. So now we can move the h up. So I'm going to do two things in one. So I'm going to move the h up here to be with the sine, or let's just write this line is equal to 6.2, and then we can move the sine 50 down from times down to divide. 6.2 over sine of 50 degrees, and it looks like they're working to one decimal place in the diagram. So let's work to perhaps one decimal place. We'll keep it more accurate to start with though. 6.2 over sine of 50, 6.2 divided by the sine of 50, we're in degrees mode, equals 8.0935, 8.0935 dot dot dot. And we can round at the end, can't we? Okay, that's h, which we've just worked out. We've got this length here, and it's a parallelogram. So clearly then, this side will also be h, since we've labelled it, and this side is 13.8. So we can just, two of the 13.8s and two of the h's. So perimeter then, the perimeter is equal to 2 lots of the 13.8 plus 2 lots of the 8.0935 number, which is still in our calculator. So let's times that by 2 plus 2 times 13.8. 13.8 equals 43.787. 787 dot dot dot, which we can round off to 43.8 centimeters.